Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to wire up some daytime running lights to Australian rules. Basically the LED daytime running lights run with ignition on, and then when the headlights get turned on they go out. LED sensor like this. You can get those off eBay. You need one end of it to earth, just go to ground, and the other end of it gets wired into the top wire on the H4 globe setup. So which is the top one? That's the other end of your load sensor. That gets wired into there. And your daytime running lights, your positive goes to just to an ignition power when you turn your key on, and the negative side of it gets wired into the same wire as the load sensor wire is on, which is that top connector. And that's pretty much all you got to do. So okay, with your 50-watt load unit, you need to attach it with some wire or something to something metal, that not plastic basically, because it'll melt. It gets quite hot, so that's just something you got to do. Find a metal. I've got one attached to the air conditioning line there, but you can attach it to the radiator or to the body of the car. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, the headlight's running now, and the daytime running light has gone out once I've turned the headlights on, low beam. So I've turned the headlights off and the daytime running light has come back on. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps some people out.